Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Roblox application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to download Roblox application for your Android, first, make sure that you have connected to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and once connected, tap Open Play Store. Go to the search box at the very top and type in Roblox and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Tap the Install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded and ready for use. Roblox is an online game platform and game creation system developed by Roblox Corporation. It allows users to program games and play games created by other users. With the mobile application Roblox installed on your Android device, you'll be able to access the app right from your mobile devices. The application is available for Windows, Android, Xbox One, iOS, Fire OS, Macintosh operating systems, and much more. Once the application is installed, tap on the play button to launch the app open, and that is how you can download Roblox application for Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.